Hello, Tom Caldwell here from tomcaldwell.com. In today's video, we're going to take a look at my latest blog post. So let's do that. We're going to tomcaldwellonline.com. Here we are. What is a lead magnet and how to create it? In this blog post and video, you will learn what a lead magnet is and how to create it. You will learn the importance of a lead magnet and the tools to use in order to create it. So let's keep on going. What is a lead magnet? Opt-in Monster answers the question like this. A lead magnet is an incentive that marketers offer to potential buyers in exchange for their email address or other contact information. Lead magnets usually offer a piece of digital downloadable content, which such as a free PDF, checklist, report, ebook, white paper, video, etc. So you give prospective customers a free or low-cost digital piece of content that will point them to the solution to their problem. Affiliate marketers provide problem solutions for their audience. The importance of a lead magnet. A lead magnet helps you build an email list, and once you get potential customers on your email list, you can then convert them into buyers. Your email list is your most valuable asset because you own the list and you can stay in touch with the people on that list and reap a constant flow of sales. For more information about why and how to build an email list, you can click here. And of course, you will have to go to my blog post in order to be able to click there. How to create a lead magnet. How to create a lead magnet in 5 steps. This information is provided by impactbnd.com in their blog. And I am in my blog post, I have the link to their content if you'd like more information about that. Step number 1, choose your buyer persona. What is the purpose of your lead magnet? Email subscribers, return blog visitors, etc. Don't try to attract a wide audience. Be ultra specific to whom you want to attract. Step number 2 in creating your lead magnet, identify your value proposition. The best value proposition are something that your buyer persona already needs, requiring less convincing on your part. Instead of trying to create something you think they want, figure out what they really need and deliver that. Determine what's most important to your target buyer and go above and beyond with the value you deliver. And like I mentioned earlier, as affiliate marketers, online marketers, digital marketers, anyone selling something on the internet, you've got to provide solutions for your potential customers' problems. Give your lead magnet a name is the next step. Now that you know what you're offering and to whom, giving your lead magnet a name. Your title is essentially a headline for your value proposition that appeals to your buyer's persona. Craft an eye-catching title / headline the same way you would for a blog post or email. Next step, choose what type of lead magnet you will offer. Keep it simple, concise, and packed with value. You want to solve your buyer's persona's problem as quickly as possible. And the final step in creating your lead magnet, the framework is done, but you still have to create the lead magnet. Remember who it's for and the value proposition you're promising to them. If you keep those two things in mind, the process will be straightforward. Here's a helpful tip that I'm offering you right here. Create your lead magnet in canva.com. And then as you see, there's the Canva logo. Next up, we look at, here is a list of highly effective lead magnets that you can create. A mini ebook. The conventional ebook of 50 to 200 pages is an obsolete method because most ebooks never get read. They sit on someone's hard drive for years and eventually get deleted. The solution is to create a mini ebook of 5 to 15 pages. Recycle your content on given topics that you have already published. Compile these 6 or 8 blog posts in a mini book. Do this easily with this cloud-based software like canva.com. If you guest post on another, you could offer a guest post as a lead magnet as well. Solicit guest posts on your chosen topic and compile them into a mini ebook. Offer a bonus, additional information that was not included in your original blog post. Reveal a secret. Create a relatively short read that reveals information not in your original blog post. Resources list. Information that goes into greater detail of the features that you are presenting in the original post. You can also offer an ultimate guide. Compile a list of topics, best articles by other bloggers, and link directly to each of the articles. Checklist. Simplify your instructional blog post into bullet points. Each point must be an actionable step. Make your checklist printable so that each step can be physically checked off when completed. How about offering a cheat sheet for a lead magnet? OptinMonster.com describes a cheat sheet like this. Cheat sheets are essentially the same thing as checklists, but they give the user a list of guidelines or a process that they can follow over and over again to achieve a specific benefit. ImpactBND.com says this about cheat sheets. Cheat sheets are usually a page or two long, and if they get straight to the point, you'll often see these presented as checklists, bullet points, and mind maps. Offer video training as a possible lead magnet. Create a script that expounds upon your blog post and record it with your smartphone. Upload it to YouTube. If you do not have a YouTube account, set one up. It is easy. Set visibility to private. When someone opts into your lead magnet, include the YouTube share link to your video in your thank you email. Webinars is another possibility for a lead magnet, and according to Wikipedia, a webinar is web conferencing may be used as an umbrella term for various types of online collaboration services, collaborative services, including web seminars, webcasts, and peer-level web meetings. Nowadays, most webinars are performed live but are recorded so that the webinar can be replayed when someone opts in for their lead magnet. Webinars require the presenters to have a stable internet connection, a webcam, a headset, and a webinar hosting system. You might want to consider a free trial as a lead magnet. Both digital and physical products can be offered as a free trial. This gives the potential customer can use the product before buying. This way, with a free trial, this gives the potential customer the way to use the product before buying. Many users will purchase or upgrade to the paid version. How about a discount for a lead magnet? If you are selling your own product, offer a discount for a limited time. If you are selling an affiliate offer, check and see if the product owner will allow you to give a discount. And a really popular, successful lead magnet these days is the quiz. There are several online quiz builders in the market, like Interact, that make building a quiz as a lead magnet simple, fast, and easy. When designing your quiz, focus on your audiences. Keep it short. Do not structure your quiz as a survey. AutomationAgency.com suggests Thrive Quiz or Gravity Forms quizzes when embedding into your WordPress site. That means if you're not operating in WordPress, you'll need to find an alternative option for creating quizzes. You can also use infographics as a lead magnet. This one requires a bit of learning curve. Here is an article that will help you create a lead magnet worthy infographic. How about offering a over-the-shoulder demo for a lead magnet? Record your screen as you demo your product, software, or service. Additional ideas can include contests, templates, swipe files, tutorials. The list goes on and is only limited by your imagination. Here we are at the conclusion. All the knowledge in the world is worthless unless you take action. I love this quote. Action takers are money makers. Number one, take the information from this blog post and get started. Create your lead magnet, opt-in form, and connect it to your email autoresponder. Here is the page builder where I create all of my lead magnets, opt-in forms, and connect them to my email responder. This page builder / funnel builder is very easy to use and has extensive training videos and quick response support included. And you can click this green button to get for the page builder. Here is the email autoresponder that I use. Again, this autoresponder is easy to use and has excellent training and support. And you click that button to find out and purchase your autoresponder. Okay, that's it. I would love for you to go to TomCaldwellOnline.com, read through the article again so that in case you missed anything, and then I really would be appreciative if you would leave a comment. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next video.